Garmin Guru. In this video I'm going to show you how a Garmin Zumo 590 LM displays safety camera alerts. So we're going to pass several safety cameras in this video in different scenarios and different speeds, and I'm going to talk through how it reacts for each one. So when you're approaching a safety camera at a distance of about 500-ish meters, you get your first ping that alerts you that the camera is there. So here comes our first ping. There we go, and the safety camera that's identified has just appeared over the horizon. So a good sort of rule of thumb, if you like, is as soon as you hear that ping, the camera just comes into view. That's if it's visible and not obscured by a tree or something. On the left there is the signage that displays the safety camera is in the vicinity, and on the right here we'll be able to see our first camera of the day. There she is. It's a digital camera, so if you get flashed by one of those, the fine is almost in the post immediately. So our next camera is a red light safety camera, so here comes our ping. And as we approach that, we'll see it on the left here. There it is. That's actually a combined red light and speed camera. So we're on a 40-mile-per-hour road now. There's our ping. Now, because we're traveling slightly faster, the Zumo will actually give us an indication of how far the camera is away. There it's saying it's 0.2 miles away, and that will count down as we approach the camera. This is an interesting one actually on the A4 West, because it's almost completely hidden, not through design, but you'll see it suddenly appears there on the left, so it's obscured by the trees. So now we're on the motorway, and here comes the next ping. Now, because we're traveling much faster, the Zumo gives us a greater distance alert, so you'll notice now it starts with 0.4 miles and then counts down. Also, because we're traveling faster, we get a secondary ping as we approach the safety camera. And there it is on the right. You'll note that each time we've approached a safety camera, the Garmin Zumo has made a pinging noise. Now, you may be aware that in London there are hundreds of safety cameras, so you may wonder whether this noise becomes annoying. Well, I can tell you, honestly, it doesn't. Once you've driven with a device for a while, the noise becomes a bit like the noise your indicator makes, or one of the other alerts in your car. It just becomes part of driving. And rather than hear that sort of ping, you just register it in your brain and then make adjustments as necessary. So I don't find it annoying at all. Your passengers, though, they might find it a bit irritating. So that's a demonstration of how the Garmin Zumo displays safety camera alerts in a variety of scenarios. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, share and subscribe.